How to log out from NBA Live Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to switch accounts or log out of NBA Live Mobile, then follow these steps to safely log out from your device. First of all, launch open the NBA Live Mobile app on your device and wait for the home screen to load. Once it does, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. And from the gear menu, you'll see the Accounts tab. Go to the Logout button at the bottom and tap on it. In the pop-up, click on Logout once again, and once you do that, you'll be able to sign out of your NBA Live account. Make sure that your NBA Live account is linked to EA account, Google Play, or Apple ID before logging out to avoid losing progress. Make sure that you've linked your accounts to your Google Play or Apple ID or with your EA account before logging out to avoid losing progress. So right after you tap on Logout, you'll be logged out of your account just like that. So that is how you can easily sign out or log out of NBA Live Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.